Hello friends, my name is Radhamasu. Today we shall discuss about topic Certified Project Management Practitioner or CPMP. Friend, this is a popular certificate nowadays for project management and recognized all over the world, and it adds value to your CV and it recognized all over the world like USA, Canada, Australia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Australia. So this is a well-known certificate for project management. So let's start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So what is Certified Project Management Practitioner or CPMP? Basically, friend, the EC Council was formed after the September 11, 2001 attacks to address issues of the cyberterrorism and the information security of nations at large. The EC Council certified project management practitioners course for project managers who want to benchmark their skills through hands-on experience and across various management techniques and tools necessary to successfully manage complex projects efficiently. The objective of the CPMP course is to add value to project management professionals by developing managerial leadership and technical skills required to make any project, a small or complex, a success. Basically, friend, the organization who has issued this certificate is EC Council. EC Council has made this certificate Certified Project Management Practitioner CPMP, and the main focus of this certification is on the managerial technical leadership skills of a project manager. So once you certify this certificate, so that means you are having the required knowledge to successfully complete the project, and it adds basically value to your CV, and you can definitely get a raise in the salary as well after receiving the certificate. The requirement for this certificate is, first of all, the organization who has initiated this certificate is EC Council, and requirement is $199 for the exam voucher. So $199 is the exam fee or certificate fee, and the requirement for this certificate is there is no such prerequisite for this certificate, like you just need to study the material online and you can go for the exam. So but however, remember that there is a fee of exam. Obviously $199 is a little bit higher fee, so you must have to study the material online for project management, and then you go for the exam. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.